Well, we're flying along. We've got our newfound friends. We met them in the last anchorage and they gave us the clues to getting into Darwin using the tides. So we got up pretty early, we were at 4 just to get the race in, get the current with us, just through at the top of Van Diemen's Gulf. And now we're flying along trying to get to Adams Bay. Making a really good time. We're going to be there at 1. I was expecting about 4 or 5. Got the full sail up. How freaky is that? How you going, Jules?
No.
She doesn't want me to film.
I have something. My neck is, the nerve or something is stuck, and I can't move my head. So I'm like this all day long. And it's so much pain. I've never had that.
I'm surprised you're shaking your head. I couldn't do that, even when it happened to me. Poor Jules, she's in the wars. We're just going to try and stretch her neck out. We offer a full service on this boat. Margarita just gave her a bath. She didn't go to the usual back step. Margarita, the nurse. And so she was standing. You were sitting, weren't you? Too?
No, I was standing.
Oh, you were standing.
And
Okay.
She was washing.
All right, so she's been showered. Now we're just going to get her. Can you help her down so she doesn't stretch her neck?
This is the right side. So I try to
All right.
use those muscles.
All right, I've explained to Jules I'm not a trained chiropractor, but what we're going to do is we're going to put a towel around her neck and we're just going to gently ease because it's all. And I'm not going to crack it, so all you chiropractors out there, I've had heaps. I've been to chiropractors so many times, it's not funny. So I'm not doing any manipulation. I'm just trying to ease it and straighten it. Well, not straighten it, just ease it. Yeah. I'm not. If it's too much, I'm just going to ever so gently. Is it hurting?
No, it's good.
It's hurting less?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hurting way less.
Yeah, it's exactly what I had. What are you laughing about? What?
You have your coffin showing.
Hey, I'm not a chiropractor, I'm a plumber. Alright.
I can move my head. Look. I can move.
Yeah, but hang on. It doesn't mean the damage has gone away.
Oh, that's so
Don't look up,
good.
don't look up. Just you need to take it easy,
I
okay?
feel like I'm reborn.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good. I can move. I can move my arm. No.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. I thought she was going to be out for 3 days. I know I was out for 3 days. Oh, well, that's good, but just, you still got some damage there. There's something, I can feel there's something weird.
Yeah.
So don't do anything stupid. Well, I wasn't expecting that to happen, but who would have thought? I got something right. What's that?
I wasn't expecting that either.
You weren't expecting that?
No,
Yeah.
I thought like, oh, should I really let Peter do this? Am I gonna die or something?
I know, who would have thought? I got something right. That's twice this year. Twice, sorry, not once. Twice. I wish they'd hurry up. They know where the anchorage is, I don't. Well, that was a very easy day sailing. And now we're in the lee of the peninsula that goes out to Cape Hotham. Out here. And there's no waves at all. The wind turned perfectly for us. We had 2 legs. We had 2 squalls that helped us get around. Gave us up to 20 knots. It was bloody awesome. I was on the limit with the full main. Now we could actually make Darwin. In fact, the current's actually turning, so it actually pushes for another 2.5 knots to Darwin. But with our newfound friends, we're going to go here, and I'm going to pick their brains about the Kimberleys. That's more valuable than getting into Darwin a day early. So apparently there's a settlement here somewhere. We're just looking out for it. I don't know about it. Okay, motor up, motor up, motor up. Oops. Actually, I was going to sand the props to make them smoother, and you just saved me half an hour's work.
I'm still learning, people.
Top stuff. Good on you first, mate. Well done. Apparently there's an old settlement here that's had about 17 cyclones hit it, so it's probably buried somewhere around here. So we're at Escape Cliffs, which is near Cape Hotham, which is about 40 miles east-northeast of Darwin. It's a beautiful spot. I'm sure there's a lot of mud crabs I can feed here in Hotel della Plukky. Still got 2 hotels left. I lost one.
And you're gonna lose 2 more.
Yeah. And we have to lose 2 more going to WA because there's different regulations. Alright, let's see if we can find this place. Alright. This is a lagoon.
Fuck, what's that? That's the cattle. That's pigs. Or pigs? No, it's not pigs, is it? Yeah, that's pig.
No.
No, it's cattle. I've seen the tail, it's a cow.
Yeah, I saw a cow too, but they're small cows.
Black pigs.
They're small cows.
No. That's the best one. They don't know. Jules, I'm explaining. Jules and Peter, they don't know how we identify livestock. They said it's cow. I said, no, it's pigs. Who was right?
Yeah,
Yeah, but
there's
it's
one.
wild pigs.
The explanation here that none of the girls failed to see, or none of the girls can see is.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Hey,
Ah!
that's wild pigs. That's a mummy. And babies. Oh, oh. Ay, shit. Ay, ay.
It's alright. Don't worry. Ah!
Oh my god. So many babies.
Like 10, 11.
Can you imagine how good they'd be eating? Far out.
Bacon.
If I had a bit of time. If I had a bit of
There's
time.
still another one there.
Oh, it's a baby.
Oh, shivers, I could easily knock that one off. I'd
Go,
run.
go, go.
Well, how
It's a
what?
baby.
We're going to yell trick or treat at it?
No, you do like bullfights. Go.
They're running.
Wow, there's a lot of pigs.
See, now we don't have meat.
How cute are they?
Think, girls?
Very good. It's super pretty.
Where are the ruins?
No idea. I think they don't exist.
I think we should get away from this water's edge because I can't even see into there. Alright.
Big bastard.
This is a big crocodile. Look, you can even see the imprint. No, you can even see the imprint of his belly. You know how they've got those things?
Yeah.
That's where its belly was.
Mm-hmm.
And let's can see.
I can't figure out where his head and everything was.
I think this is
And look,
the head.
this wild dog.
Dinky.
Dingo or just wild dog? I don't know. I can't tell the difference. What's over there, girls?
Darwin!
We finally made
At
Darwin.
last.
How many days have we been away?
Almost 30.
How many days have we been away, girls? Since Cairns?
7 weeks.
7 weeks? And how many since Thursday Island? So we haven't seen a shop in...
4 weeks.
Yeah, I think it's a bit more actually.
I lost.
Anyway, we've run out of food. We've got 1 onion left. And
We had all the Nutella and all.
And he doesn't eat dairy.
Everything. I'm
I don't
not
want to
eating
tell the
sugar.
driver.
Peanut butter.
I'm not eating sugar. I'm not eating dairy.
Take it out.
That's the
You
truth.
know what we have for breakfast today?
Yeah, what do we have for breakfast?
Battered pineapple.
With sugar
And cinnamon.
I know.
And who ate most?
Actually, who ate the most? Oh, come on. Who ate the most? Who ate the most? Little girl with
Liars.
big
All
hunger problem.
liars.
Big sugar hit. We were a bit worried today. We thought she was going to kill us. Look at that lovely sunset. We had excellent wind and current today. We were up to 11.8 knots. It was bloody great. In 10 knots of breeze. So we're going to go see Darwin. I don't know, we're going to get in another hour or so. But hi, Darwin! Oh baby, ooh la la.